Oh, good morning. It's probably about 10:30 in the morning. My husband's been up for hours at this point. First thing I do is brush my teeth and give my face a quick spritz. And then I will continue on with my morning routine. Typically, it looks like I'm getting some hot water with lemon, having a meditation, making a breakfast smoothie, and checking emails. So I'm going to take you through my little routine, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now I give myself a little spritz with my Jerlique Herbal Recovery Signature Mist. It's very refreshing in the morning. Okay, I know I said I was going to have lemon water this morning, but I'm actually much more in the mood for a little latte situation. I make mine with not real coffee, but something called Dandy Blend. And I add a coconut creamer, a little MCT oil, some hot water, and then I blend it all up, and it's quite delicious. Okay, so I have made our bed and I finished my latte, so now it's time to have a little 10-minute workout and a meditation. So my trainer, Kira Stokes, has an app that I've been loving. It's called Kira Stokes app. And she has these like great she does full body, but then she does body part specific, 10 minutes or less. So I'm gonna go through one of the ones that uses her bands. Okay, so now for a little post-workout breakfast situation. Oh, my iced coffee that my husband got me earlier. I think I'm gonna make like a mushroom egg toast. So, got some mushrooms here. It'll be pretty simple, and I can show you what I'm up to in the kitchen. Okay, so while these cook down, I am gonna go chop some chives from our newly planted garden. So these are the chives, and I never knew that chives grew like really beautiful purple flowers on the top. They smell delish. Okay guys, this is me now getting into my workflow for the rest of the day. So thanks so much for following along with me for my little morning routine, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye.